A can do a piece of work in 40 days. He works at it for 8 days and then B finishes it in 16 days. How long will they take to complete the work if they do it together? Now let's assume the total work to be the LCM of the times given, that is 40, 8, and 16. The LCM comes out to be 80. Now the total work we have assumed it to be 80. Now the time for A is given to us as 40. Now rate is always work upon time. So therefore the rate of A comes out as 80 upon 40, that is 2. Now it is given that A works for 8 days. Now A's rate is 2. He is working for 8 days. Now work is always rate into time. So R into T, 2 into 8, 16 units of work is done by A. And after that, he leaves. Now the remaining amount of work will be 80 minus 16, that is 64. Now this 64 units of work is done by B in 16 days. So the rate of B will be 64 upon 16, that is 4. Now we have to find out the time required to complete the work if they do it together. Now the total work is 80. Now A and B are working together, so therefore their rates will be added. So 2 plus 4, the rate of A plus B will be 6. So the time whose formula is work upon rate for A plus B will be 80 upon 6, that is 13 1 by 3. So that will be our answer.